In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize error bars in Google Sheets charts. By the end, you'll know how to show variability or uncertainty in your data clearly, which is especially helpful for reports, experiments, surveys, and any analysis where context matters. Start by opening your Google Sheets document with the data you want to visualize. Highlight the range you plan to chart, making sure your headers and values are included. Then insert a chart. You can do this by using the Insert menu and selecting Chart, or by clicking the chart icon if it appears in your toolbar. Choose a chart type that works well with your data, such as a bar chart, column chart, or line chart. Error bars are most useful when each data point needs a visible margin of error, so pick a format that makes those points easy to read. When the chart appears, the chart editor should open on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, click the chart to select it, then choose Edit Chart. In the chart editor, switch to the Customize tab. This is where you'll control the look and details of your chart. Scroll down to the section labeled Series. If your chart includes multiple series, use the drop-down to choose the specific series you want to modify. You can repeat these adjustments for other series later if needed. Now check the box for error bars to turn them on. Next, customize the error bars to match your data. You can choose percentage if you want the error to scale proportionally with each data point. For example, a 10% error bar will be larger on bigger values and smaller on smaller ones. Choose constant if you want the same absolute amount of error for every point, like a fixed +2 units. Use custom when you have a separate column in your sheet listing the exact error amount for each data point. In that case, select Custom and point to the range containing those values. Make sure those values line up correctly with your data and are in the same units as your chart's axis. Before you finish, quickly review the result for readability. If the error bars look too heavy or too subtle, adjust the percentage or constant value until the visual balance feels right. Remember, error bars should clarify your story, not overwhelm it. When you're satisfied, your chart is ready to share, confident that it communicates both your measurements and their uncertainty.